So I actually want to share with you a couple of booking programs or scheduling apps that you can use in your business to make your life way more easy than I've realized some people are making it. So I've spoken to someone recently and they were sharing with me that they still are going back and forth on emails trying to book consultation meetings. So of course, I had to do a video to address this one. It's one I've done before, but clearly this video needed to be updated. So I'm going to share two programs that I highly recommend you checking out if you're still using emails to go back and forth to try to book appointments with potential clients. Now, I want to thank you as always for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting my channel always. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way so that you can get more videos like this one week after week. So let me just jump right into the programs that I recommend. First up is Acuity. So Acuity is a scheduling program that you can use to actually schedule meetings. Now here's the great thing about Acuity. All you need to do on your end is set up the program in terms of tell it what dates, times you're available, how many appointments you would like to take max that day, how you'd like to have your appointment structured, or maybe you want to do nothing more than 15 minutes, you want to limit yourself to 5 in any given day, only between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Maybe you want a 30-minute break between each, whatever that is, you can set all of that in Acuity. You can also set up your notifications so that once someone books an appointment, they get notified, they get a confirmation, as well as they get reminders. And once you set that, you don't have to do anything else except send everyone who requests a meeting or a consultation a link to your actual Acuity platform. Here's the great thing. I currently use Acuity in my business and I love it. I don't know what I'd do without it. So here's the thing about it. With Acuity, it has so many features embedded. Now, let's say you're someone who pays for, that you charge clients for your consultation. You can actually attach a price to your Acuity platform. Now, I do that for my discovery calls because I was getting a lot of people who were booking. You're all very eager to speak with me, and then some of you forget and don't show up. So I've thrown on a $7 price tag. Believe me, guys, that's not compensatory of my time. It's really just for accountability, where you had to pay to get that time with me. So you can set that up as well, especially if you find people are booking appointments but then not showing up. It's just a little bit of accountability so that they're not completely wasting your time. Now you can even make that refundable, that's up to you, but you can do all of that in Acuity. Now here's the great thing. Once you send them that link, there's no email that you have to send out again. That's it, right? They schedule the appointment. It shows up in your calendar. It shows up in their calendar if they choose to add it, and they get reminders based on when you set it. Personally, for me, I set my reminders for 3 days, 24 hours, and then a couple hours on the day off before the session, because I want to ensure that if something comes up, you have an opportunity to let me know that you need to cancel it, or you can actually reschedule it right in the notification reminder. So I highly recommend you check out Acuity if you're still doing the back and forth email. But before you do, let me tell you about number 2. So number 2 is Calendly, and Calendly is one that I used to use prior to Acuity. I don't use it anymore. Now here's the thing. I still recommend Calendly because it is very simple and easy to use. You can jump in and get started. They have a free option. You don't need to spend money, especially if you're in the startup phase of your business where you're not trying to add up expenses before you start booking clients. Check out Calendly. The reason I actually moved from Calendly to Acuity is because I got to the point in my business where I needed something a little bit more robust and I needed more features, and Acuity had that Calendly didn't, right? But if you're starting, Calendly is a great starter, especially if you want it for free. Now, both programs do the same thing. You can still set up your meeting appointments. You can still set up your time blocks, block your days, do the notification, all of it. So definitely check them both out and let me know what you think. Now, I'm going to drop a bonus. So this one is for anybody who currently has a CRM. So if you're someone who has a CRM, which is a client relationship management program such as HoneyBook, you don't need to get a separate scheduling program. So what I mean by that is a lot of the CRMs will have a scheduler already built in. So if you're using HoneyBook, for example, I know for a fact that they do have a built-in scheduler, so you don't need to go sign up for Calendly or Acuity and just add a ton more, platforms and software to your list, passwords and stuff that you need to remember that you don't need. Just use the scheduler that they have embedded. Now, if you have any questions, let me know. Now, here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to drop a link to my toolkit down below so that you can actually download and check out all my recommendations for not only scheduling programs, but for other apps that you can use in your business. Thanks so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful day. I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate and EventPlanningTemplates.com, and I work with event planners, wedding planners, actually most wedding pros, to help them streamline leads into their business. So if you're struggling to find leads, you're struggling to market and get clients in, stop struggling on your own. Just head on over to my website, www.eventcertificate.com, and let's chat.